protesters for his match with his face.
This is the road no wa?
On coming first as they had wanted. Things are quite upbeat. And we'll go into
你看我这完了。
Ali, this area name?
Every time is Wahan.
Wahan. So this is Wahan area.
Yeah.
So Wahan area is very busy. Have a lot of people for working here and shopping. Have a lot of shopping mall. You can see.
and those are the names of those two blocked in the bring together parties from across Europe, the EPP, European People's Party on the centre right.
بوقي مسوسي بوق ولا قاضي
بوق مسوسي
بوق ولا قاضي أفر بقول سؤال كذا لين
أفر بقول سؤال أوس كخسنسو
وصوا خليصة بدو لا قوق قبلنا يا
أيه
بدو نقول صوب مسوي أيوة إمام
الله وار
Italy, Genoa strapped to a goalless draw at Fiorentina on the final day of the Serie A season. That preserves their top place status. Empoli have been relegated instead after their defeat at Inter Milan. On Monday, the match often described as the richest in world football takes place at Wembley Stadium. Derby County and Aston Villa contesting the Championship playoffs for only the place in next year's Premier League at stake. That is worth a nearly estimated Williams are all due to get their French Open. Sunday, the reigning Wimbledon champion Andre
طلبنا تعليقاتكم على تجدد الاشتباكات بين قوات شرق ليبيا بقيادة خليفة حفتر وتلك الموالية.
Stop for this shop.
No waiting.
Mobile?
Yeah.
Which charger?
So does that mean that these two, one of these two will be president? two, one of them will be the next president.
Nobody can imagine. Nobody.
Okay, but that still doesn't answer my question though. Does it mean that if the election goes ahead, one of them will be the next president?
If the election go ahead, you are talking about a situation which is completely absurd. Because the conditions are not what is said. There is no
It's unlikely that the election will go ahead in this environment. It's not a fantastic line, Ali. Let's leave it there for now. Ali Benwari, President Mia, bringing together political activists in Algeria. We'll definitely be hearing a lot more about that story.
Su me la sta, me lo